How to change currency on Facebook ads. I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Facebook ads. First, open Facebook Ads Manager and click on the three-line menu labeled All Tools. From there, go to Billing and Payment and then select Payment Settings. Scroll down to the Business Info section where you'll find an Edit button. Click it and you'll see an option to change your currency. Select your preferred currency and save the changes. Keep in mind that Facebook does not allow you to change the currency on an active ad account. Instead, you'll need to create a new ad account with the correct currency. To do this, go to Business Settings, select Accounts, then Add Accounts, and click Create New Account. Once you've set up your new account, you can start running ads with the correct currency.